In this video, you'll learn how to insert and use equations in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to add a math formula, scientific notation, or special symbols to a document and weren't sure where to start, this walkthrough will take you through the entire process in a clear and simple way. Let's begin by opening Google Docs. You can do this from your browser by going to your Google Drive and either creating a new document or opening an existing one where you want to add equations. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so your changes are saved automatically. Once your document is open and ready, click into the spot where you'd like your equation to appear. This could be in the middle of a paragraph, on a new line, or even in a separate section dedicated just to formulas. Now that your document is open, you're ready to access the equation tools. Look along the top of the screen for the main menu bar, find the Insert menu and click on it. In the drop-down that appears, select Equation. As soon as you do this, a new equation field will appear in your document and an equation toolbar will show up just below the main menu. This equation toolbar is where you'll spend most of your time when working with formulas. It gives you quick access to common mathematical symbols and structures without needing to remember special keyboard shortcuts. You'll see categories such as Greek letters, general operators, comparison symbols, and different types of fractions and exponents. To start building your equation, make sure your cursor is active inside the equation box that appeared when you chose Insert, then Equation. Click one of the options in the equation toolbar depending on what you need. For example, if you need a fraction, select the fraction template, and you'll see a structured fraction appear in the document with separate spaces for the numerator and the denominator. Click in each space and type your numbers or variables. If you need exponents or subscripts, choose the appropriate template from the toolbar. This is especially useful for things like squared terms, scientific notation, or chemical formulas. For symbols like plus, minus, multiplication, division, or equal signs, you can usually just type them on your keyboard, but the toolbar includes more specialized options such as less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. For more advanced mathematics, you can use the Greek letters option if you need symbols like alpha, beta, or pi, which are common in algebra, trigonometry, and statistics. Simply click the Greek letters drop down in the equation toolbar and choose the letter you want. It will be inserted right where your cursor is in the equation. As you build your equation, you can move your cursor with the arrow keys to fine-tune what you're typing, or click exactly where you want to add or change something. If you need another equation later in the document, just repeat the same steps, go to Insert, choose Equation, and then use the equation toolbar again. When you're done editing an equation, click anywhere outside the equation box to continue typing normal text. That's all you need to start inserting and using equations in Google Docs. By opening your document, choosing Insert, then Equation, and using the equation toolbar to add symbols and formulas, you can create clear, readable math and science content directly in your documents.